Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to check history in Google Sheets. First of all, open the Google Sheets and log into your account. Now open the sheet for which you want to see the history. Okay, so suppose I'm going to open up the first one. Okay, so there are two ways to check the version history. Okay, so first of all, if you want to see an overall change in this particular file, then what you're going to do is click on the file here, and then you can see version history here. Okay, you can also name the current version from here. Click on see version history. There is also a shortcut written here, so I'm going to click here, and then on the right hand side you can see no changes to the sheet in this revision, and the other one maybe few changes are there. Okay, so this is how you can check it. And the another one is to suppose you want to check for this particular cell. Okay, any cell. Okay, for this, suppose this one. Okay, so you need to right click here, and then you can click on show edit history. Okay, and you will be able to see the history here. Okay, so this is how easily you can do it. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my channel.